If you're a life insurance agent, you probably wonder, why do some life insurance agents have massive amount of sales while the majority of them actually struggle to make sales? Listen, I'm going to break down 3 of my top observations working with many life insurance agents, and I see so many of them, or so few of them, actually thrive and make 10,000, 20,000, etc., per month, while the majority of them struggle to make 3 to 5,000 a month. So I'm going to break down what is the key differences that I see with the people that are actually making it and they're excited about their life insurance business, and the majority of the ones that actually barely make it by. So number one thing is this that I've been able to observe with people is, one, image, the way you look. That is the number one thing I see that is a massive difference with the people that are actually excited about life and the people that are not. I can see when I do sales calls or when I meet with a client who's actually winning and who's losing by just the way they look. And when I say look, I'm talking about everything: your energy level, how you speak, what comes out of your mouth, yes, the way you are dressed, how you are groomed, your actual body, right? Listen, your body speaks before you open your mouth. You walk into a place and the way you look, believe it or not, I know we say, hey, we shouldn't be judging people. Well, guess what? You are being judged. I'm being judged. Deal with it, right? So that's one of the big differences I see when I speak with an agent. I can actually tell if they're on time, right? If they're successful or not. Most people that are not making anything in business, they're usually late, right? And you probably heard the saying, how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? So the way you look matter. Get up early, hit the gym, eat clean food, follow your macros, right? What those macros mean? That means stop eating so much junk, count your calories, freaking do it, and that's it. It's not rocket science. And I promise you, you're gonna start feeling better and your sales are gonna go up. Number 2, all right? The mindset, the way you look at things in life, right? I could tell someone that is winning from someone that is not winning, and you can too when you have the right attitude towards things. You probably heard it, mindset this, mindset that. Yes, the way you're able to take a situation and translate it in your brain is how you're going to project your life, right? So for example, look, I just dropped something when I was setting my camera up right now. I dropped like 4 things because I was picking up my microphone and I was about to say, what the heck? And I was going to just react wrong to it. And I said, nothing happened. I picked it up. My reaction was neutral. I lost no energy at all, right? So that's how when little things go like that. For example, if you sell life insurance, you know something that is called chargeback. When you get a chargeback, a couple of things could happen. One, I see people quit the industry, and you probably have seen people quit the industry when they get chargebacks. They were not expecting it. Now they see that they make a sale, and next sale they make, they don't get paid on, and they're wondering, whoa, what happened here? Well, you got a chargeback because you probably sucked at closing the first time, right? When you're closing a life insurance transaction, I know this for because I live it, right? When I was selling insurance my first year, actually not even, my first 6 months, I was a hard closer, right? I was doing the Closer Survival Guide by Grant Cardone. I was handling objections, and then guess what? I would close when I had them in front of me. But as soon as it was time for them to go do their physical or pay their next premium, they cancel. Why? There's something called, basically, let's put it, cold feet or buyer's remorse, right? If you hard pressure close someone into buying something that they have to pay every month, you're doing a disservice to you and to them. So mindset, the way you think about things. For example, if you are selling life insurance and you see somebody that is hesitant about buying it, address it. Hey, I see that you're not sure about this. Do you see the importance of this? Why would you buy it? Why would you not buy it, right? And if you see hesitation, be like, hey, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think you're serious. I don't think this is something that might not be the right time for you financially or mentally. Do this. Take my information down, and when you're ready, reach out to me. Now you got a different mindset. You're not desperate. You don't have the commission break, right? And that's going to help you get more sales by default. And the third one, the biggest one, the most important one that I've seen is consistent leads flow. Yes. Consistent lead flow. You could have the looks. You may look like a Ken or a Barbie. Beautiful, great. Nobody cares. You could have the best mindset in the world. You could be excited. You could be cheerful. And you could be clapping at your teammates. Oh, my team is winning. Your team is winning, but are you though? All right. You could have the mindset, but if you do not have consistent lead flow and a system to have the leads come to you, whether that is from social media, referrals, right? Whether you're buying the leads, whether you are paying for advertisement online, whatever that lead source is, or lead sources, by the way, but having a consistent lead flow where you can consistently say, hey, listen, I have 3 to 5 appointments set every single day that I'm working. So for example, if you work Monday through Saturday, you should have 3 to 5 appointments minimum on your calendar every single day. If you don't, guess what? I can predict your future. You're going to make no money, right? How do I know that? I've been there. If you have no appointments on your calendar every single day, you're going to starve in this business. That's just how that it works. I don't make the rules. All right? Don't hate the player, hate the game. All right? So listen, this is it. You got to take care of yourself, because how you present yourself is going to tell me if you're a professional or if you're not. If you come at me and you're meeting with me on Zoom or in person, I'm going to check you out. I'm going to say, hey, this person is a professional or this person's sloppy. I don't want to deal with them, right? And why should they give you their hard-earned money if you cannot even take care of yourself? Let's be real, all right? Number two, the right mindset. Like I said, thinking things correctly. How do you improve your mindset? Well, first, hit the gym. That's number one, right? The Bible says clean the vessel from within and it will be clean on the outside. Jesus said that actually, all right? And having the right mindset, having the right coach in your ear, right? Reading the right books, not watching the news, not watching negative things, not associating with negative people, associating with positive people, all right? Things like that help you build your mindset. And like I said, a consistent. And the word here, the key word is this, consistent. Because why? Yes, you could be new in the industry, or you could be recruiting people and say, hey, put a list together of 50 people. We're going to call them and we're going to make sales. Well, guess what? You may make a few sales, but you already know you can be recruiting for days and you're going to go hungry. Why? Because you're going to be recruiting people that not everybody has a market that trusts them. All right? Just because they put a list together doesn't mean that, well, you're going to close those deals. And if you do, you're probably going to get a bunch of chargeback. And you probably are seeing that right now. So I'm going to keep it very simple. We have a lead system that is working for other insurance agents. I'm going to invite you to schedule a Zoom demo call directly with me. As of right now, it's directly with me. All right? I'm going to put a link below this video. Click on it, go check my availability, and you're going to schedule a one-on-one Zoom call with me. It may change into a group thing, but right now it's a one-on-one with me. Click the link, schedule a call. What to expect when you meet with me? I'm going to ask you some questions about where you are and where you're going. If I believe that we can help you with our system go from where you are to where you're going, I will let you know that we can help you. If I believe we cannot help you get to where you're going, I will let you know too. All right? So if you think that's fair, click the link, schedule a call. But either way, you need this in your business if you want to win in the life insurance business. This is not something magical. You don't get a license and start getting paid. It's not a license to print money. I heard that so many times. This is a license to print money. Well, listen, if that was the case, I have a license. I haven't used it in 3 years, but I have a license and it's not printing me a dime. Why? Because I'm not using it. I'm not doing this because I'm not selling insurance anymore. So listen, like I said, if you like to speak with me, schedule a call. Otherwise, follow me wherever you see in this video. Let's stay connected. I'm going to be dropping some gems to help you get to the next level in your insurance business and actually make a living out of this thing, or build a team if that's what you want. Otherwise, or anyways, or whatever word I was looking for. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on YouTube. Be blessed. Let's go.